Here's how to add an infinite scrolling track to your Unity scene using Run a Track. In your scene, right-click in the hierarchy and select Run a Track Track Controller. This creates a track controller game object, which is the main component responsible for generating, updating, and scrolling the track. It includes built-in providers by default, but still needs a track configuration. Let's assign Simple Track Configuration, available in the Samples folder, and press play. Before the track starts, the controller must go through 3 steps. Initialize, to set up the controller, prepare, to build the track, and start, to initiate the scrolling. All of these functions are available directly in the controller inspector. Now, you can adjust the camera's position and clipping planes to only render the active section of the track. And that's it. Now, you know how easy it is to add an infinite scrolling track to your scene with Run a Track.